If you are looking for a banking option that caters to both businesses and individuals, Ready Capital Bank might be on your radar. But before you open an account, it's important to know the full picture. Let's dive into what Ready Capital Bank offers and what to watch out for. Ready Capital Bank is a regional financial institution that specializes in business lending, small business banking, and personal banking solutions. One of its main draws is its focus on flexibility, especially for small and growing businesses. They provide SBA loans, commercial real estate financing, and lines of credit. Most people get this wrong. While it looks like a standard bank, Ready Capital leans heavily on supporting business growth, not just personal accounts. For personal banking, the bank offers checking and savings accounts, online banking, debit cards, and basic credit options. The online and mobile platforms are functional with bill pay, transfers, and account alerts. While it may not have every digital feature offered by large national banks, it covers the essentials for both individuals and businesses. One standout feature is their customer service. Reviews often highlight the personalized attention you receive compared to larger banks. This can be especially useful if you're applying for business loans or need guidance on financing options. However, there are a few limitations. Branch availability is limited compared to national banks, so in-person services may require travel. Some users report slightly higher fees for certain services, so it's important to review their fee schedule carefully. In conclusion, Ready Capital Bank is best suited for business owners or individuals who value personal service and are looking for flexible lending solutions. If you're okay with a regional bank's smaller footprint and want more hands-on support, Ready Capital Bank can be a solid choice. Subscribe for more honest banking reviews to help you make informed financial decisions before committing to an account.